Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach and therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com. So today I'm going to talk about how to heal a leaky gut, which is part 4 of this video series. So the very first component to help heal a leaky gut is actually vitamin D. Vitamin D is actually a hormone if you want to get into the specifics. So your gut lining is about 1 cell thick, which is actually very thin. And your gut stem cells' responsibility is to actually help heal and seal your leaky gut. So vitamin D basically helps to grow your stem cells. And these, like I said before, your stem cells are needed in order to help heal that leaky gut. Also, too, vitamin D also controls your adherence junctions and your tight junction strands. Imagine your strands as being like your security gate of your system, of your intestines. Basically, when a car comes through, the security gate will basically check your ID to make sure that you're an approved vehicle, and then the gate opens up and allows that vehicle to get through. Now, basically, that functionality of the security is actually controlled by vitamin D. So the more vitamin D you consume, the better the security gate improves in terms of making sure it's filtering in the correct ingredients. So in this case, it is the digested food particles to make sure that they are digested properly, and then so the security gate opens and allows those digested food particles to get through so that you can absorb those proper nutrients. Now, when you don't have enough vitamin D, there are going to be dysfunction within those security gates. So then you will have undigested food particles, otherwise known as macromolecules, to get into your bloodstream through your leaky gut. And then your immune system will see these undigested food particles as foreign invaders, therefore attack it. And when it attacks these foreign invaders, it results in inflammation. Inflammation leads to dysfunction, and dysfunction then leads to disease. So this was what happens when you have a security gate that's not functioning properly. In this case, what's the cause of it is a lack of vitamin D. So that is just one example of how you can make sure that your security system is properly functioning right, and you want to make sure you have enough vitamin D to ensure that security system is working properly, to only allow digested food particles to get through into your bloodstream so that the proper nutrients can be delivered to different parts of your body so that you could carry out your everyday bodily functions without any issues. So after vitamin D, it is actually omega-3. So omega-3 is a type of fat that is anti-inflammatory. Omega-3 basically will help heal inflammation, help stop inflammation, and slow down the result of inflammation. Essentially, when you have a leaky gut, you will have inflammation because undigested food particles get into your bloodstream, creating inflammation. So you want to make sure that you have enough omega-3s in order to start the healing process of getting rid of that inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Now, the different sources of omega-3, you could actually get it from fish oil supplements. Now, if you're going to go fish oil supplements, you want to make sure that you get it from the proper source. The best and the cleanest source is getting it from the Alaskan waters of the Pacific Ocean. Now, if you don't want supplements, you could actually get it through foods, and in this case, through fish, you could actually get salmon, anchovy, mackerel, just to name a few, or sardines. And if you don't want a meat source, the vegetarian sources, or through chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts. Those are just different ways in order to get omega-3 through a vegetarian source. So as you can see, the next one would be digestive enzymes. So digestive enzymes essentially help to break down the nutrients within your foods so that you could properly absorb those foods into your bloodstream, delivering it to different parts of your body in order to maximize your nutrients and to make sure that you're nutrient sufficient. So essentially, when you have a leaky gut, you are more prone to be deficient in these digestive enzymes. Because you're deficient in digestive enzymes, that means that you're not able to break down those foods. And those foods are those macronutrients such as your fat, your protein, and your carbohydrates. So therefore, when these particles are undigested, they're also known as macromolecules. These macromolecules are able to get through your intestines, if you have a leaky gut, into your bloodstream, and it causes your immune system to see these macromolecules as foreign invaders. Therefore, it attacks it, resulting in inflammation, leading to dysfunction and to disease if you continually have a leaky gut and if you continually are not breaking down the foods properly. So that's why you need digestive enzymes in order to break down these nutrients into micromolecules, and then these micromolecules get through your intestines into your bloodstream, and they're able to deliver all the nutrients properly to the different cells of your body without your immune system having to attack it, which basically results in not having any inflammation. So, not only does leaky gut cause a deficiency in digestive enzymes, also to age and genetics, and also having low stomach acid, it also results in you having are just other factors that can lead to a deficiency in digestive enzymes. Basically, if you have low stomach acid, you need high stomach acid or a lot of stomach acid in order to activate those digestive enzymes so you're able to break down those foods properly so that you can actually absorb those broken down nutrients properly. So, as you can see, those are just 3 components to help heal your leaky gut and to help minimize or get rid of the unwanted inflammation that leads to those unwanted chronic symptoms, and those symptoms will manifest themselves according to what your genetic predisposition is. So as you can see, those 3 components are vitamin D, digestive enzymes, and omega-3s. So if you have any questions, feel free to go to heartfulfoods.com and go to my contact form and ask me whatever questions you want about healing a leaky gut or just health in general, because the more questions you ask me, the more ideas I get for creating more blog articles or creating more videos to help spread the wealth of health to those people that are interested in continually improving themselves. And also too, I'm offering a free 30-minute consultation. So just go to my contact form at heartfulfoods.com and ask for that consultation, and we can figure out a time to meet up through either phone or a web conference. And my goal is just to get to know you, find out what your health concerns are, and to see if both parties want to create a relationship based on accountability for the goal of achieving a healthier and better you. Again, my name is Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach and therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com. Peace.